Hey guys, today we gonna talk about URL or Uniform Resource Locator. So, whenever you visit a web page, you encounter the address of the page. For example, take https://www.example.com. Now, we divide this URL part into three parts. Part 1 is the scheme. In this example, we have HTTPS as a scheme. There can be other schemes like FTP or HTTP. TLD or top layer domain is the second part of this URL. .com is TLD in this example. The third part is a domain, which is an example in this case. Now, there is part called subdomain. It's part of the main domain. For example, play.google.com. In this example, play is the subdomain. And after .com part will be file name or query, which is denoted by a question mark. The hashtag is used to redirect specific parts of the web page. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.